It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it.
John, these are the methacrylate beads that we use as part of our quality program. Trust but verify. We're making sure that we have the right open times. We have at least an hour before the material will start to set up.
Okay, what is this part right here that everybody's looking at?
This is the underside of the hardtop or the taco metal project boat.
Okay.
This is when you last saw it in the computer. This was the underside. We've laid in the wire chases.
Right.
We have the electronics box that we engineered in.
Okay.
And ultimately all of this will marry to
this over here. This is the top side to the new hard top for the Taco Marine project boat. And what are these recesses out front?
Those are for fantail lights.
Fantail lights.
Yep.
Now, what is the bonding agent that's going to kind of put the bottom side and marry it to the top side? What do you guys use?
We use a methacrylate adhesive. We're going to be using, in this case, we're going to be using Acrylock. It's a methyl methacrylate.
You're like at the
adhesive.
top of your game. How is that compared to some of the other methacrylates that are out there?
We found it to be very reliable, very predictable, high strength, high elongation. It's a very tough, tenacious material. It's the best that we can find. Well,
good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Breviskis. This is Kurt Hopp. And Kurt is the vice president of a mold making engineering company for the marine industry called Vectorworks. And they make different kinds of molds. They make ones for production, heavy volume, and they make ones that you can just take a couple of parts off of. And we're going to show you all that today on the program. And I need to bring everybody kind of up to speed here, Kurt. A little while back, we had a brand new anodized aluminum frame made for the Taco Marine project boat, which is going to a special charity to help with juvenile diabetes. It's called the I'm Logan Foundation. And our original thoughts were to take the original hardtop, plug some holes, fair it, and paint it. But my team discovered some real issues with it. It was literally disintegrating on the inside. It was rotted. It was crushing. There were waves. And it really wasn't to the caliber of Ship Shape TV.
I understand.
And so, guys, I went to a big trade industry show called IBEX. It's the International Boat Building Exposition. And I met you guys, okay, at Vectorworks. And, because the boat's eventually going to charity, I wanted to get the best brains behind possibly coming up with a mold to fabricate a new hardtop. And that's what your team has done.
Yes.
And take us through the process of the underside. Do we have to paint that with any resin?
Yes, what we're going to do is we're going to have the methacrylate adhesive around the perimeter and at all the hard contact points.
Right.
In between those, the big flats are going to be bonded using a polyester-based bonding putty. So we'll hot coat those with polyester resin first, let that kick, we'll apply the bonding putty, and then we'll marry the two.
Okay, so literally your team is going to pick the underside up,
Yeah.
put it into the top side, the two are going to come together, and then do we have to weight that at all?
We will. We've got some plywood caul plates to spread the load out, and we'll put sandbags on.
Okay. Well, today's program is going to be so interesting, especially if you're ever wanting to find out what happens in a fiberglass boat prior to it even getting laminated. We're going to go to the very beginning stages here of boat creation. But where we need to kind of begin, Kurt, is we have to give kudos to all of the awesome marine companies that help make Ship Shape TV possible. So guys, if we could, let's listen up.
Ship Shape TV, where boat improvement lives, is made possible by the entire collection of beautiful Sunbrella fabrics. Sunbrella, the only fabric to offer both design and performance above and below deck. By Boat Outfitters, your source for replacement hardware, custom king starboard doors, tackle centers, and more. Need it? They'll build it. Visit BoatOutfitters.com to update or customize your boat today. And finally, made possible by Yamaha. Reliability starts here.